Hi everyone, so this is a bit of a failure of a video. I done the first part, so I'm getting carried on making the tags, and this is my Pinterest inspired Monday video, and I didn't hit record when I stopped to go get something, come back, forgot to hit record, carried on making them. So what I've done is, there it is, find another tag, and what I'd used was doilies. That one's broke, but I don't need that bit. Some birds, some tickets and numbers and things like that. So I'm going to do another one with this. Couldn't believe that. It was when I went to press stop when I'd finished them and I'd realised I hadn't pressed start. So yes, we're not going to see them being made, but you'll see this one. I am going to back this as well. I'm just going to get some coffee dyed paper. You can hear me rolling around the room. So that's that. Sorry about that, hearing me rolling about. Right, so I'm just going to get on with this and then I'll talk it all through at the end. I haven't completely finished these, but I will show you them all at the end. So there we have it. I have done that one, and these are the ones that I done when I didn't record, which kind of peed me off a little bit, but there you go. It is what it is. I can't help what I done. So yeah, there we go. So that was Pinterest inspired. I will put the link in the description box to the one that I was inspired to, and yeah, it's just really simple, really. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.